Hello my crafty friends, it's Trinae and it's time for a little bit of an unboxing. So for the next couple of weeks, I am super duper excited to get into my planner again. So I did take a little bit of a planner break and it was not really planned. I just never really, I haven't really been using my planner. And now I am excited to get back in it. So let's open up. This is the Walk in the Woods collection. Let's see here. So I got a couple of different things with this one. I ordered the planner and then I also ordered some other stuff. So I think this is the actual kit. And this is the add-on, so I think, hold on, because usually you don't get like a planner. Like this is amazing. Like usually you don't get a traveler's notebook inside of their planners, but how cute is this for like your little notes? Like I love this. This is amazing, amazingly cute. And then you still have room to add some things over there. This is really cute. So it's just for like your little notepad. Really digging this. That is cute. That gives me some ideas. So we have that little cutie. And then I ordered extra stickers. As always, because me and my mom get the kit and we share it, so like I always order like these are the extra stickers that go into my planner because I like to have my own. And then what I do is like we share the washi tape. Sometimes we'll share the die cuts, but most of the time I let her have those because I get the little scrapbooking kit, so I always get some type of die stuff in there. And I always just, you know, grab like a tag or two, and then we call it even Stevens and we share the paper or whatever. So look at this, how cute. We have this dashboard. That is cute. That is amazing. And then we have these little stickers. So like this is something that we would share. And we have these two. So I'll take mine and put it aside. And then I'll package her stuff back up so she can have like the cute stuff. I give her the pens just because I like writing with fountain pens. But this is cute. I actually really like this pen. The gold is really gorgeous. And then we have the stickers for the November. So they have switched things up a little bit. So I think these are the dashboards and the stickers. So let's open these up. Yep, that's exactly what that is. We have the dashboard. So like I said, I order my own stickers. They gave like some letters and then they give like these little stickers that have like the month and things and stuff like that. They also do these stickers, which I didn't order these this year. I mean this time. I actually forgot. Well, I didn't even forget. I waited like the last day, and so a lot of stuff was just sold out. I forgot to order early. I gotta set like an alarm on my phone. But look at these papers. They are so gorgeous. So what we normally do is, since you get two of each, we split it because like you get so many papers. They really do give you enough for two planners, which is why we can split, and it just works out. It works out. And then we have these papers here with the dashboard, and I just give her all of these because I use a traveler's notebook. So I never really use these anyway, and I just don't need them. So she keeps all of this, and she used like the ring bound, and she has like a disc bound planner, so she decides what kind of holes she gonna punch in it for that month. So these go to my mom. And they papers are always really cute. They have like a week spread, a daily spread, and then like a 1 day on 2-page spread. So you always get, like, I always feel like I get my money's worth with Cocoa Daisy. I will say that. The only issue I have had in the past was customer service, and it did work out in the end, but, and let me put, I don't want to say customer service in a way like I'm dogging them. They are very clear about their policies. But I feel like their policy is not as user-friendly as it could be. So that's what I mean when I say like customer service. Like, they have good customer service to the point where they do what they say they're going to do. So you can't really blame them. But like when packages are lost, as a business owner, I would probably want to be the one to file the claims with the post office, but their policy states that the customer has to do all that, and it's just a long process. I had a package get lost, and it took 3.5 months before I got my money back from the post office. So, and I still didn't get my kit, but they were sweet enough to say they'll give me 40% off if I purchased another one. But at that time I was just like, you know, yeah, no thank you, I'll just wait for the next one, because it was already like, it was just so late. So good company. I love their stamps. I love their products, but they are growing, and I think I will say they're getting better. That's the only issue I've ever had. So if you are on the fence about them, I would say go ahead and try it, because I have been purchasing their products since January, actually, and I've only had that one incident, and it wasn't their fault. It was the post office fault, really. But I just like it when companies are like, oh, your kit never arrived or your product never arrived, we'll just ship it out. That's what I'm used to. But I know it's harder for small businesses to do that. But, okay, let's get back to the point. Stamps. Yummy, 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 yummy. I love that they have started doing stamps. Y'all know I am big on stamps. I love them. And especially when you're using like your own like kits, because like I said, I use a traveler's notebook for a planner, or either like a Litstrom book. So I don't really use anything that has, it's just blank paper, really. So it gives me the freedom to put whatever I want to. So I did purchase these 2 stamps, and this one I love with the little fox. Look at that fox. I think he's so cute, and it has like welcome, autumn, crisp air. It's a beautiful day, October, pumpkin spice, which I love. I had one today. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And then this one has autumn. I like that it has like the little lines you can write on, and they're hand drawn, so they're like cricket and stuff, and I love that about it. And then you can do like current mood, and then you can do happy, grumpy, bored, yeah, worried, stressed, relaxed, excited, awesome, sad, loved. And I really like having like this little mood chart, honestly, because I believe like you need to be able to, you know, kind of gauge where you are every day. So I'm gonna try to incorporate this into my planner every single day, just to keep up with moods. You know, sometimes I can be a bit moody around that time of the month. Like, I wish I wouldn't have said that, but y'all ladies know what I'm talking about. Usually I'm like perky. I think everybody at my job can tell when like it's that time, because I am not like chipper then. I'm like, oh my gosh, breathe wrong, and watch you catch these hands. Alright, so this is the other part of the little I did a different scrapbooking theme this month. So instead of getting like a full kit, I purchased the add-on cards, or the like the journaling cards, and I got stamps. And so this is what I added on to my kit this month, if you guys want to like know what's different. So these are the things that I added on. They don't come, why y'all didn't tell me I was out of frame? They don't come with the regular kit. So these are the stuff that I purchased separately. Everything else was part of the kit. Alright, so we have these little cards, and they are really in there. You can see they package everything so cute. So we have these little cards. Look at these. These are a few of my favorite things. If you think my hands are full, you should see my heart. That's adorable. That is just so adorable. And we have like a little jack-o'-lantern face. Leaves are falling, autumn is calling, and then we have one autumn day. So I think these are all really cute. I went on a wine tasting in like North Georgia last weekend, so I'm probably gonna use these to come up with like a little mini album because it was so beautiful. Like everything was just gorgeous and the wine was delicious. Like we sampled so much wine that by the time it was time to leave, I didn't even want no more wine. It was like when we got to the last vineyard, I was just like, ugh, don't make me drink no more wine. Like, don't make me drink anymore. I don't want any more. I just want some water. But I'm not a heavy drinker, and like they only gave you like a ounce, so it wasn't like you was getting drunk, and if you didn't like the wine, then you could put it in the dump bucket. I think I ended up dumping more wine than I actually drunk, because I'm not a heavy drinker at all. Like I'm clearly a lightweight. Like I don't drink, like, which is crazy because when I was younger I used to drink, but as I got older I was just like, I'm good. Right, so here are the cards. So I'm gonna flip through these kind of fast. So we have love, fall, warm memories. These are cute. Falleluja. That's funny. We have this, stay clever. And so you really can use these cards like in your planner, or you can just make your own little mini album, or use them like they're supposed to be used with like Project Life stuff. I'm not big. I love Project Life. I love like these cards, like journaling cards, but I'm not really big on Project Life. I tried it. It just did not work out for me for some reason. I don't know why. I just lost interest. And then we have, oh, I like this one because then you have October or November. So you can use this either or. I like that. We have Happy Halloween. Today was a great day. Look at these. These are so cute. Tales from a rainy day. I have little hearts. I love fall most of all. Me too. I'm a fall baby, y'all. So I was born December 1st, so towards the end of fall. But I love like watching the leaves change, having the cooler weather. Like I hate summer. Like summer is not for me at all. I don't like summer, especially here in Georgia. It's just too dang on hot. It's like you walk outside and your shoes stick to the sidewalk. I'm just kidding, it don't be that hot. But it's really hot in Georgia. Like on average, it's like upper 80s, mid 90s. It gets hot. So I'm not here for the heat. My body is not built for the fall. I mean for the summer. It's built for the fall when you can wrap stuff up in layers. Like, come on, let's cover some stuff up. Layering is my friend. So we have this us together. What a beautiful autumn day. Like this is so cute. Oh, that is gorgeous. I love that. Then we have this. Like the patterns are so cute on here. These are just adorable. One of those days. And then they have like the little current mood on here too. Then I have October 31st. Eat, drink, and be scary. So really nice cards. And my goal is to make a a mini album out of some of these. You can also use them for zines, which I love doing zines with journaling cards because they make it so easy to layer everything up. And you can also use these on the dashboard part of your little planner. So you can use these for a lot of things. So definitely check that out if you were looking for like Project Life type stuff. Coco Daisy gotcha. They gotcha. Alright, so that is the kit, you guys, for this month. Beautiful papers. I love this dashboard. They quoted the great Maya Angelou, and I love her. Like, for real, I just loved her. And the quote is, be present in all things and thankful for all things. And I think that's something we can all live by. Alright, and that is it for me today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your crafty friends. Or if this is your first time joining me, then come and join the crafty family. Be my crafty friend. Go ahead and subscribe and then hit that notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I post a video. No missing out, no wondering when Trinae gonna be posting something on YouTube. You'll just know. It'll be in your inbox. You'll be in there. You won't miss out. So go ahead and hit that bell, and I will see you guys in the next one.